Alicia Hurt here, the founder of I See My Baby, and I am here to talk about our upcoming retreat this November. It's going to be November 18th through the 21st in Negril, Jamaica. It's going to be at the Patu Castle, and we have general admission, and you can stay at the Sam Sarah all-inclusive resort. We also have 5 rooms available for VIP members where you'll stay at an actual castle. Okay, it's beautiful. And we will all work together to overcome whatever it may be. I know for me personally, I lost my mom last June, and I'm going to utilize this retreat for my healing, for me to work through what I lost, which was my mother, but then also what I gained by having her for almost 40 years of my life. I'm not sure what you want to overcome, but I know that we want you there because you deserve, sis. She deserves healing. She deserves time to have peace and tranquility. She deserves some good selfies at the castle. I mean, keep it real, because I sure am going to be taking my photos. But if you would like more information, if you feel like there's a sister that may need this, share it with your network. If you don't know, just share it, because you never know who may need this retreat. We are here to support, to love on you, and to unite. We are here to get that mental mindset adjusted, fixed, refreshed. We're here to provide wisdom. We have a phenomenal lineup of speakers. Don't believe me? Check the website. Go to iseemybaby.org. All the information is there, and I cannot wait to see you at She Deserves Retreat 2024.